I often find myself wondering whether or not I should do something, go somewhere, take something on. I might have this idea, a dream, be it tiny or big. It's something I know I want to do, something I almost know I need to do. But I just can't stop wondering. And then the wondering turns into worrying. I'm worried about what other people will think. I'm afraid of being judged, of being stared at, of being discussed about. So the spark that started my idea, my dream, it burns out. I convince myself that other people's opinions are more important than my own. But that's just so wrong. If anything can make you happy, if you have fun doing it, if executing your idea, chasing your dream, means remembering those moments for the rest of your life, that's all that matters. In 20 years, you won't remember all the days you spent sitting at home watching Netflix, not chasing your dreams because you were too afraid. In 20 years, you'll remember the days you did get out there. You'll remember the days you were crazy, the days you were different, the days you did things other people wouldn't expect, wouldn't understand, the days you chased after your dreams and actually lived, even if living these days meant being exposed to other people's opinions. There is nothing that is too weird, too awkward, and especially too embarrassing. If you want to do it, if you feel like you should do it, just do it. It's what life is all about. They say that life begins beyond the end of your comfort zone. And it's true. It doesn't matter what others think of you. It matters what you think of yourself. I think I might need to remind myself of that more often.